first. So another attack is coming, that means force eventual checkmate. So you see that it's mate c4 but mate in 4, but I missed that. Here you can see the coach of chess.com is David. He is reviewing our games, and the opponent is a YouTube star nowadays. In live stream he is so popular, getting popularity, and he also uh, engaging with my channel also, and his rating is maybe it was 1200, but he said today in his stream that he is down playing with his viewers. So e5 and e5 now by Avinash Singh. Knight f3, knight on. Okay, I want to play a scotch, that means exchange in the center immediately. It was a blitz game, so I tried to make it capture everything and try to make it balanced. That means my queen is now in center. And Avinash played. Okay. Oh, what's that? Okay, I made a queen retreat here. So I saw that I take back the move, but no, it's just my move that I played it because of danger coming. Maybe any danger can come. Many if c5 can push, so I am in danger. So now he attacked my pawn. It's a good move, and you can read that also. Good job defending the pawn. I can, and the bishop developed. It is also excellent move by Avinash and developing. So I developed bishop, but maybe I could go to bishop c4 also, but I need to castle anyway immediately. But he is playing here not according to it. He should castle actually. Okay, I castled, and Avinash castled, and now I started attacking his bishop. So it is an the move, you can see that it was inaccurate, because now uh, when I play, you bishop has to remove. Definitely the right move, you say, the coach says. So he played a devious move, and you see that it's a mistake. Okay, let's correct. So I made a great move, attacking his knight first. So he made it, and now it's a really inaccurate move, because he now his bishop is trapped, you can see. But knight e8 can save his piece, but and he grabbed a pawn, and he grabbed two pawns, a very strong play. Knight into d5, you can see it is written here. So now I grabbed another pawn. Good job, that's what I played. So here I think all are, that means that I need to play the opening. That means we are still doing the opening moves now. 50 moves has completed, but here Avinash made another mistake. Maybe he was not careful and he was trying to read chat. So it's a problem of the streamers. They can't. They need to more focus. That means the general traps they should see. That means now your queen is trapped, and I have discovered attack, you can see. So I captured on bishop into a7, so he can capture, but he also did not capture my bishop, and I captured queen, and now my bishop can go back, or I can connect my queen also better as a battery. So bishop take back, and so I played bishop f5. So he wants to attack something, but I think my queen, I'm just removing. I'm coming to checkmate his king now, so I don't stay there waiting for a discovered attack with my queen. So he wants to play knight check or bishop check, then capture my queen, but he will lose 3 pieces if he want to do that. So, but I am here to finish it off first. So another attack is coming. That means force eventual checkmate. So you see that it's mate in 4, but mate in 4, but I missed that also. But I'm the right track. Number 1, king moves. Number 2, I should play now queen f7, and I missed that. You can see I captured a pawn. Maybe I did not see the forced mate here, so it's a miss. And now maybe still I need to make many moves to checkmate his king. And he also trying to just resign, or trying to exchange everything, because he understand that he is not going to win this game. But still we have more time that in our clocks, 1 + 1 minute in this game. Only 22 move happened, so I captured everything. And so now I'm trying to oh, now it's a checkmate in 1. No, not now. So it is check. So now it's checkmate, and I able to do that in the second time. It was bishop check. You can see. So always feels nice to win, and hope Opinion will learn many things if he watches my videos, and I like his streams. He talks and makes us fun, makes us happy, a smile. So I like his stream, but he must focus on his games. Actually, he must try to at least reach 1200 and know the basic. Don't lose like a for a basic pattern. Don't fall in a trap always. So feel free to like subscribe my channel, and and hope you be the number 1 streamer in